If your middle mouse button has suddenly stopped working on Windows 11, you're not alone. This common issue can be both frustrating and disruptive, especially if you rely on your mouse for productivity or gaming. Fortunately, there are several straightforward steps you can take to diagnose and resolve the problem. In this guide, we'll walk you through practical solutions, from checking hardware to updating drivers, to help you get your middle mouse button working again in no time.
Let's run the DISM tool to fix your Windows image. Click the Start button, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes if prompted. Now type this command, DISM /online /cleanup-image /restore health. Then press Enter. This tool checks for problems in the Windows image and tries to repair it. The scan may take a while. Let it finish fully. Once done, restart your computer. To restart your computer, click the Start button at the bottom left corner. Then, click the power icon. Now, select Restart. Your PC will shut down and power back up automatically. Let's run the Windows Troubleshooter together. First, right-click on the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now click on Settings from the menu. In the window that opens, click on System from the left sidebar. Scroll down and click Troubleshoot, then click Other Troubleshooters. Choose the one that fits your issue and click Run. I will choose Audio and Get Help pages opened. Follow the instructions to resolve the issue. Let's run the System File Checker. Click the Start button and type CMD in the search box. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. If you see a prompt, click Yes. Now type this command, SFC /scan now. Then hit Enter. Windows will start scanning for missing or damaged system files. Just wait until it reaches 100%. If it finds issues, it'll try to fix them automatically. Once it's done, restart your PC.